You're watching the New Stack Makers, a podcast for people who develop, deploy, and manage at-scale software. For more information and articles about at-scale technologies, please visit thenewstack.io. Now enjoy the show. It's demo time at the New Stack, and today I am happy to be talking to the co-founders of Prequel. I have Lyndon Brown. Hey, Lyndon.
Hey, Alex. Thanks for having us.
And Tony Meehan.
Alex, we're happy to be here. Thank you.
We're talking about the world of software error detection, the bane of so many developers. The tools are ancient, but there's some new concepts out there, in particular, Common Reliability Enumeration. How about that as a mouthful? And today, Tony is going to show us a demo of how the concepts that they're developing works in Postgres. But first, Lyndon, give us a little intro about the company.
Awesome. So as you said it, we're the founders of Prequel, the first community-driven platform for discovering bugs, misconfiguration, and developer anti-patterns. We started Prequel after a decade plus at the National Security Agency, really hunting for elusive bugs, and then leading engineering teams at Elastic and companies like Mandiant acquired by Google. But much like other engineering teams, we've found it difficult to really balance the speed of development with control over application failure. So we believe every team should be able to look for both frequent and obscure reliability problems with a lot less effort. And that's where Common Reliability Enumerations, CREs, come into play. So we're working to give teams a deterministic, declarative, expressive way of finding problems. And enough talk, we should jump over to the demo.
Let's do it. So real quick demo here. There are a couple of different ways that you can run and test with CREs. The first is you can use a kubectl plugin. Install that right on your command line here. The kubectl crew install preq, and that'll install preq right away. It works on Windows, Mac, Linux, all the major architectures and operating systems. You can also run it in standalone. So if you go to docs.prequel.dev, you can download it there or directly from GitHub. And so let's show you what it looks like to detect a problem in Postgres. I'll take a look at my logs here on my server for Postgres and pipe that in as standard input into preq. And it's like grep on steroids. And so what we're doing here is we're looking through this input, this log here for problems, and we've detected CRE 2025-47, which is a critical issue. We can take a look at that report. And what we're seeing is a summary of the problem, its description and impact, the mitigation that the community and the problem detection community has put together for this, as well as the specific matches for the problem. You can kind of think of a CRE as a description of the problem and how to mitigate it. And the really cool thing about preq is that you can run this with continuous updates, stay up to date on the latest CREs that are coming from the community and the Prequel reliability research team. So that's it. Very quick demo, but that's how it works. It allows you to take this reliability intelligence in the form of CREs and detect problems across all the different architectures and operating systems and Kubernetes.
I love it. Lyndon, take us out.
Yeah, and we're excited to announce and do it exclusively here that both of these projects are 100% open source under the Apache 2 license. And we already have some users deploying it in their clusters, and they're seeing a number of benefits. The first is just more proactive, more complete coverage of reliability problems through automatic updates, new CREs coming in from the community, also coming in from Prequel's research team. Also, less noise. One of the biggest complaints we hear from observability users is, hey, how do I even know what I need to pay attention to? And part of that is just the inability of those platforms to really combine multiple weak signals into high fidelity findings, and also the ability to reduce red herrings before a human has to do anything. So we're really excited about the power of CREs and preq being able to enable every engineering team to really unlock the power. And the last thing, as I mentioned, completely open source, Apache 2. So use it how you want to use it and contribute if you want to contribute.
That's a wrap. Thank you, Lyndon. Thank you, Tony. Go check it out at prequel.dev. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, you can always subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're on all the major social media platforms, You can always find us at thenewstack.io. We hope to see you soon.